Hey, my name is Attorney Walter Hnot III. We're doing the top 200 Social Security disability questions that you're likely to experience at your upcoming hearing. Question 48, home repair. Okay, so if the judge asks you, do you do any home repair? All right, this is a tricky question because if you're doing home repair, it means that you physically have the capability to go ahead and work with tools, do basic repairs, interact with others usually. You're able to stand, walk, stoop, sit, crouch, kneel, whatever. You're able to do physical functions. You're very likely able to follow directions because how did you learn how to do this? Well, it came with a book, or it came with a pamphlet, or it came with a menu, or I watched it online, maybe YouTube. So that's kind of what this whole thing is about when it comes to home repair. If you have the capacity to do this thing here, this thing there, all of a sudden the judge is going to attribute to you the ability to do these functional tasks, and they'll use that as a means potentially to deny you. So just think about that. Oh, I'm a good guy. I live with my mom and I repair things in the house. Boom. You just hurt your claim immensely. But, look, if it's the truth, you got to go with it. All right? If you like this video, subscribe. This video helped you in any way. That's good. Then go ahead and leave me 5 stars somewhere. Google, you just search disability resolution. Avo, you go ahead and search Walter Hnot, last name Hnot. And basically what we're trying to do is help a lot of the low-income homeless people who are disabled have a little bit of a leg up and be found disabled going forward. So that's the thing to watch out for. I even wrote a little note here. What tools do you use and what home repairs have you completed the most often? Why are the home repairs difficult for you? These are kind of the questions that pop up after that question. All right, but for the top 200 questions, we're just doing like the main ones. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have any additional questions, don't be afraid to reach out and give me a call or catch up with me live on Thursday, 8 to 10, YouTube, Eastern Standard. I'll catch you a little bit later. We'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.